This 5-minute solution will show you how to create Facebook auto reply. It's super easy process to create or generate Facebook auto replies. First of all, on your computer, open a browser and open your Facebook page. Once you are in your Facebook page profile, click on Meta Business Suite. And here click on this drop down and select your business account. And then click on Inbox. And here click on Automations. And click on Create Automation. And here select Instant Reply. Edit Automation. And now make sure to enable Instant Reply. And channel, select Messenger, or if you want to create the same template automation auto replies for your Instagram, then check Instagram and scroll down. Here you will get a auto reply message, and here we can see the preview, and here you can easily edit these auto reply message. And click on this personalize your message icon, and here you can add the Facebook profile recipient, first name, last name, full name. So let's add the first name here. And here we can see the preview. You can also add or insert an emoji to your auto reply message. Then click on Save Changes. And this is how we can easily create auto reply message on Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.